this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Mini 4 Pro, you can charge it using a standard USB-C cable and then any power adapter, even the one that you use to charge your phone. So I'm going to go over the process in depth. So you will have the USB-C port on the drone itself and also on the controller. Both need to be charged. When you plug the USB-C cable into the drone or the controller, all that you have to do is plug the other end of the cable into a power adapter and then into a power outlet. There's no secret to this. Just like the one that you use to charge your phone, it is going to be plugged into any standard power outlet, which is going to give power and then consequently charge the device. You will be able to tell by these 4 LEDs, so they will light up one by one. Once all 4 of them light up, it indicates that the battery has been fully charged and you can remove it from the power adapter and the power outlet. This should also work for other models of DJI drones, so you just plug them in using a standard USB-C cable and then into a power adapter on a wall. You can also use the battery pack. Just like the drone or the controller, you will plug it in using a USB-C cable into the USB-C port, and then the other end goes into a power adapter or a power brick plugged into a power outlet. You will also have the LED indicators for each one out of the 3 batteries, and you can use them to actually fly the drone. So you can remove the battery on the drone at any time and insert one of the new ones. So I hope I was able to help you on charging your DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.